Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: account access, an API key, and integration permissions so data flows. Once done, open Automagical Forms and create a new form. Choose a template only if it matches your fields. Next, import or paste your field list, labels, types like email or number, and required flags so the tool maps inputs correctly. Make sure to save the draft immediately because autosave prevents lost edits and sets the base for mapping and logic rules. Now you map fields to targets. Drag and drop each input to the spreadsheet or CRM column and verify the column name. Once mapped, add conditional logic to streamline UX. Show or hide fields based on answers, make fields required only when relevant, and set default values to reduce typing. Then configure validation rules, such as rejects for emails, numeric ranges for amounts, and character limits for text. After this step, preview to confirm data flows and edge cases behave as expected. Finish by running end-to-end tests. Submit multiple sample rows including edge case inputs because real data often breaks rules. Once tests pass, publish the form, set access controls, and enable notifications or webhooks to push data where it needs to go. Make sure to document version notes so you can roll back if necessary. If something goes wrong, check mapping mismatches, validation rule conflicts, and the activity logs first. Those usually reveal the root cause and let you fix the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.